we actually have a framework around kind of the ROI model as well
Mhm.
as the business framework. And so when you think about a traditional database, right? There's typically one main user, one main buyer, and the values for that entity or individual. In a blockchain network, there's typically multiple entities, and again, those can be separate as we've listed here, or it could be separate entities within an organization. And one of the challenges we found is when we put entities into this type of framework, that the value section, who's actually receiving the value, may not match up with the funding, who's actually signing off or has the budget, or who's actually paying for this network. And then that thirdly may not line up with who's actually using the system. And so those three things are not really aligned as best they can. You may create something that has value, but it will not continue through to deeper stages of funding to get to production. And then if it does get to production, but the ones who are using it are not the ones receiving value, then it will kind of stagnate in production. And so we look for a framework like this where you can